Hey there, I'm Oralia Lorenzana, living Latina in Idaho. I'm sharing my experiences, my education, and knowledge of living as a Latina in Idaho. And yes, we have lots of Latinos in Idaho. I'm here today to share some recent knowledge. I'm recommending that you all go out and get a physical, the health physical, and a dental visit, and your eye exam, and if possibly your hearing exam. I am recommending this because as a young woman growing up, my mama didn't show me how important it was to take care of myself. And today she tells me anytime I even cough, go to the doctor, get a visit, take care of yourself. She goes, I regret not taking care of myself. So how many of us are in that same position? If you haven't made yourself a priority, please do. Whenever we go on an airplane, the captain will always say, in case of an emergency, the oxygen mask is going to come down. And when it comes down, put it on yourself before you put it on the people around you. And why did they say that? Because if we don't take care of ourselves, we cannot take care of those around us. We all have many someones in our life who depend on us. It can be your parents, your grandparents, your children, your grandchildren. We all have people who depend on us. So please, it's important to take care of yourself. When you schedule the physicals, they recommend you do it once a year. When you schedule your physical exam, make sure you do the blood work before the physical exam. In Latinos, we are very well known to have diabetes, high blood pressure, osteoporosis. Make sure you get those blood tests before, so that if there's any questions or concerns, you can solve that with your doctor while you're in the office, one-on-one, and get all the information that you can. There's also women. There's the annual pap smear, the mammogram. If you're over a certain age, please go out and do that. I know it's not fun, but I've had, in the last few years of my life, I can probably think of 4 or 5 friends who have come to me because they've been shocked by some kind of a diagnosis that could have been prevented had they done either one of those, the pap smear or the mammogram. So please make it a priority. The dental exams, I was shocked because I've gone to the dentist before, but I don't really pay attention. Usually I sit there in the chair and I'm kind of embarrassed. I just want them to get it over with. But one time that I went, they gave me a little pamphlet and it explained how tartar can lead to heart problems, strokes. And I was shocked. I was thinking, oh my goodness, I don't want to learn. But when I saw the picture, because that's how I learn, when I saw the picture and they showed it to my teeth, I went out and I started putting more attention to my dental exams. The eye exams once every 2 years, please. The older we get, the worse our vision gets. So please make sure you have your eyes checked. And if you don't have insurance, there's always a health fair going on. I live here in Idaho, and especially this time of year, look around, ask around, call a doctor's office, ask if they know of any free health clinics where they check those things for free. Please, there's no excuse not to do it. Another thing you can do with all of these social media platforms is to find one that you really like, find a group, find a person, find something that will feed you information. I'm in a Facebook group now, and it's called Reversing Metabolic Syndrome. And it caught my attention because it was talking about people of color, and also people with high blood pressure and diabetes. And thank God I don't have any of those things now, but I want to make sure that I don't get them. So I'm trying to be proactive. Now it's in my face and I'm accountable to people in that group. So if that's something that you have, come on. We all like the pozole and the carnitas and the guacamole and the tortillas. Well, that's all fine and good, but the older we get, it starts affecting our bodies. So I'm recommending that we all go out and take care of these items. So until then, please, and if you don't want to do it, share this information with someone in your family who you think needs it. We all need it, but please consider it, and hasta la vista, baby.